In this video, we will be installing the 6th element front bed Molle panel for your 2024 and newer Toyota Tacoma. Our innovative Molle design offers limitless customization, securely attached tools, recovery gear, and accessories, while keeping everything within easy reach while maximizing space. In the kit, you will find 3 M6 20mm bolts with nuts, washers, and lock washers, 6 M6 25mm bolts with washers and lock washers, 6 black channel nuts, and 2 black powder-coated Molle panels. Start by laying out the Molle panels and placing the 2 90-degree flanges next to each other and aligning the 3 adjoining holes. The tools required for the install are a 10mm wrench, a 4mm Allen, and a T50 Torx bit. Using the 10mm wrench and 4mm Allen key, tighten each of the bolts while checking to make sure that the panels are aligning flush to each other. The 6th element Molle panel mounts to the front of the bed. It attaches to the C-channel that is located underneath the rear window and to the bed using the factory bed mounts. Remove the 2 plastic end caps located on either side of the C-channel. This will help with attaching the Molle panel to the C-channel. Next, remove the 2 bolts that hold the bed to the frame of the truck. The T50 Torx bit will come in handy here. Place the 2 assembled Molle panels with the 2 bed mounting feet on the bed over the holes where the 2 bed mounting bolts that were just removed. Next, feed the 6 square C-channel nuts into the C-channel and align on each of the mounting locations on the Molle panel. Pass the M6 25mm bolt, complete with lock washer and flat washer, through the mounting hole and into the C-channel nut. Do this for all 6 bolts and hand tighten all bolts before fully tightening. Some sort of pick or screwdriver might be helpful in moving and holding the square C-channel nuts from moving while attaching the M6 bolts. Next, reinstall the 2 factory bed mounting bolts. The bolts should pass through the Molle panel without issue. Note, the Molle panel will have some movement at the base where the bolt passes through the bed. To ensure the factory washer doesn't scratch the powder coating, push the panel towards the truck and then tighten the bolt. Go ahead and tighten both bolts. Now finish tightening all bolts, the 2 bed mounting bolts and the 6 M6 bolts. Yes, all 6 bolts, not just 5. Now sit back and admire your new Molle panel, and maybe reinstall the plastic end caps, but only if you really want to.